very important to us to make sure that we got the recipe out long beforehand.
Garlic Parmesan Chicken Wings.
This is what we're making. The brats are boiling. You want to see, honey? Looking like it's all foamy.
Yeah.
Smells good. Smells like burger.
Why can't I stop staring? What are you doing?
I mean, what am I doing? You know where
Is that
I'm...
in the laundry?
Yeah, I found it somewhere. All right, so
Okay. Are these still hot?
bigger and more important things. The brats have now been chilled. Or wait, broiled.
Right.
No, boiled.
Boiled.
We haven't broiled them. What are you doing with them? You're just
I'm gonna put them on here. I want to use this pan to make my famous pasta salad. Yuck.
You're handling those wieners a little rough.
My secret recipe calls for 8 cups of water. I'm gonna bring it to a boil.
Okay.
I'm gonna stare at this for 8 minutes till it boils. Please get all the moment. I'm gonna be in deep thought.
Homemade pasta. Don't look over there yet.
Hold on a moment. Let me get homemade
Yeah,
pasta
homemade
out.
pasta. Oh my goodness.
Well,
you even did some green pasta too?
You know how I do.
It's so popular. She like individually wraps it. Ooh, what's some of that red stuff? The red little flakes.
That is some
Okay.
tomato something. I don't know.
Some tomato something.
Toss wings with 2 teaspoons salt and a half teaspoon pepper in a large bowl. I'm gonna whip these wings in the bowl.
This says 2.5 pounds of wings.
Oh crap! How much? Can you read the bag?
Oh, guess how many? 4. It's 4 pounds. Time to do math. That would be 5 pounds.
Oh, I'm sure. I'll just like figure it out.
Oopsie.
Whoops.
What happened?
Nothing.
What happened?
Nothing. It's amazing.
Is there salt all in there?
No, I didn't spill it. The recipe calls for, ouch, a half a teaspoon of pepper, but I believe we have more wings. More wings. What the hell? Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of pepper. So then it says, ooh, I'm gonna sneeze, hold on. Let's go on. Okay, toss it, toss it, toss it.
Toss it, leave it, and now pull out quick to retrieve it.
Good.
All right, I think they're tossed.
Okay, so we're doing the thingy where you put the wings and sauce or whatever.
The sauce,
Now-
the mix.
Yeah. Okay, so this is 1/4 cup olive oil.
Okay.
I'm gonna jam it in there. We got oil. Now I need some parsley, lemon zest, and juice. Oh, zest and juice. Garlic, sugar, and remaining. Oh God, there's so many stuff. We got the oil. We got. I don't have no parsley in there. What's the parsley? How much parsley do I need? I need some parsley. A 1/4 cup of. Honey, we're not gonna have that. I'm just gonna sprinkle some because that's ridiculous. Who's got fresh parsley up in their house?
That looks pretty fresh.
I don't have a 1/4 of a cup of it.
1/4 cup, honey.
That's good enough. Okay, good enough. Lemon, 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 lemon.
How much?
How much lemon? So we need 2.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon. That says from 2 lemons. Wait, is that a half? 2.5 tablespoons? So I'm just gonna do this half full because I don't know the math. That looks good. Okay. Couple little squirts. That's my zest.
Did you use parm?
Not yet. Should we do parm?
3/4 ounce parm.
How much?
3/4. Half cup.
Chris has informed me that
What?
3/4 ounces is half a cup. Because apparently you're a genius in math and no one told me. That would have taken me 1 hour to Google.
We got our wingies. We got our brats. We got our dogs.
Let's do it. So we should put these on?
Yeah.
Our wangs.
Mm-hmm.
Where should I put them?
I would put them over here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Hey, you just dropped them.
He slipped. So just put them all on.
Yep.
I'm going to place these all. Do we have a timer
Careful
going?
with that thing. Yeah, we'll do it 5 minutes aside.
the wine. There, okay.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
Why? Cooking with Katy. All right, it's been 5 minutes and we got to flip them. Do you want me to flip them? No, you can't wait.
I'm here. Can I flip them now?
Yeah. Doing a great job. I think this might be part of the reason why I don't think I've ever done these on the grill before. It's kind of a pita.
Here's what I think about wings.
What?
I mean,
They're not worth the hassle?
there's a lot of bone.
Uh-huh.
And you're just like, oh, great, one bite. And then you're just like, whoop, great, thanks.
And then you're done.
Do you feel like we should have that near the, won't that explode?
What will?
The jam aerosol?
Well, I mean, there's a good amount of space here, you know. I mean, I wouldn't recommend you to put it into the grill, but, you know, I'm sure it's fine.
I'm gonna
Cooking with Katy.
This one's right there. I feel like we should have another show called Putting Together with Chris.
Canceled after the first episode.
Because it all breaks. It's upside down.
All right, you're canceled. Like everything's on fire over here, and Katie's sleeping.
Under my face.
Yeah, you gotta flip them.
All of them?
Yeah. Well, you don't have to.
I'm gonna though. Should we put the done ones over here? I'm making the executive decision. Oh, girl, he's done. Okay. Ow. So I'm thinking all these ones without the extra meat on their bones they've done early. This is why you gotta have a little extra meat on the bones, Bubba.
It's cooking with Kate. What's wrong with it?
Well, we took too long of an intermission, I think. It looks like grits or something.
Do you want my input? I would probably get a big freezer bag and I would dump all that in there and I would put those in there and I would shake them up.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna make sure this is sealed.
That'd be a great idea before you shake it up to make sure it's sealed.
Oh, there we go. So they said a drizzle. We
Oh,
don't got a
no.
drizzle
There's no
situation.
drizzling.
It's
This
not a drizzle.
is going to be like a shake and bake.
So when I make mac and chocolate milk, I have to do a little dance and I say, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it all along, and if you don't shake it, I hear a gas.
You want your here? Let's just see how well these wings are going to go over with this bunch. Mac, you want to try a wing?
What are those?
Chicken
Do you want a
wings.
chicken wing?
No.
Come on, babe. You want a chicken wing?
No.
Why not?
Aren't you glad we made hot dogs?
Do you want a chicken wing?
No.
What about a brat? Do you want a brat?
No.
How about a hot dog? What do you want? Oh,
You're gonna be
okay.
hungry tonight? Okay. What do you want?
Oh, he just wants to have ice cream instead.
Oh.
All right, well, let's try a wing.
It's delightful. It's a lot of parm. It's a lot of parm. Very like something.
Here, honey, would you like a hot dog or maybe just some ice cream for dinner?
Cooking with Kate. Sometimes it's gonna not be good. You know what I say when that happens? Always love, no matter what, and when in doubt, just have a hot dog.